In the rolling hills of Kabale, where justice meets the people, something remarkable is taking shape. The Kabale High Court has just concluded a special civil session, one that placed the Attorney General's office at the very center of the action. This was no ordinary sitting. It was a second extraordinary session of its kind, following a successful first session in July, all focused on cases rotating around the Attorney General. Representing the government of Uganda, the Attorney General's office was led by Ms. Karungi Gafabusa, the acting principal state attorney and the head of the Attorney General's chambers in Mbarara. She wasn't alone. She was joined by other members of the bar, led by Ms. Rebecca Ayesiga, and warmly welcomed by the Kabale Chief Magistrate, His Worship Derek Biamugisha, who represented the Assistant Registrar of the High Court during the session. In her address, Ms. Karungi brought good news to the people of Kabale and the greater Kigezi region. She revealed that the Ministry of Justice and Constitutional Affairs is set to open a fully-fledged Attorney General's office right in Kabale, a move that will make access to justice faster and even more convenient. Kabale, she said, is one of the 5 districts earmarked for a new regional offices across Uganda alongside Lira, Iganga, Masaka, and Hoima. The reason is simple but significant. The Kabale Circuit handles a high number of cases, and with the new office here, the Attorney General's team will be able to respond promptly and efficiently. Presiding over the session, Resident Judge Justice Karoli Lwanga Ssemogerere praised both the advocates and the litigants for their discipline and punctuality. The High Court has managed to dispose of more cases than it receives, a rare and encouraging milestone in the fight against case backlog. Justice Ssemogerere urged the legal fraternity to keep learning and adapting the new changes in the law so that justice remains predictable and fair. He also reminded everyone that the Attorney General's office should not only be seen as an opponent in court, but also rather as a partner of the people in the channel through which government delivers vital services from birth registration, marriage, to even distribution of property after death. The special session, which had 21 civil matters, drew a full house from lawyers and judges to senior local government officials, including the Deputy Town Clerk of Kabale Municipal Principal and the Senior Assistant Secretary of the Kabale District Land Board. Their presence was a testimony to how deeply connected the work of the Attorney General's office is to the everyday lives of the civilians and the citizens. As curtains fell on the session, one message was clear. The wheels of justice in Kabale are turning faster, smoother, and closer to the people than ever before. From the heart of Kigezi, this is a story of justice, service, and progress as Uganda's courts and the Attorney General's office work hand in hand to bring the law closer to the people.